Okay, I made this scene with exactly the real scale from the real local area and the same unit of positioning in Unity. For example, if in the real space the distance between here and here is 3 meter, this uh, white cube and z value is equal 3. It means the distance between here and here in Unity exactly is 3 meters. So we can use this option to put our objects exactly at that position we want. For example, if I put my camera exactly in here and put my object exactly in here, when I open the application and I will in this position in the real space, I will see this capsule exactly in front of myself and exactly in this position. If I will start my application exactly in this position and in this direction, I will see this capsule in this position without any error in positioning and direction. Okay,